Welcome to another video of Elite Expertise. I'm Riley Matthew. I'm working as an admin manager in Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online teaching platform where we teach PEBC, KAPS, Indian Pharmacist Written Exam, Indian Pharmacist Oral Exam, PTE, and recently we have started OPRA as well. And our directors are Mrs. Harika and Mr. Arief Mohammed. Both of them are working as a clinical pharmacist in Australia. And in last July batch of KAPS, we have 95% passing rate. And our one of the student is Preksha. She's with us right now. Congratulations, Preksha. So how
Thank you.
How do you feel?
So relieved.
Yeah, happy?
Literally a sense of relief run through my body right now.
So can you tell us about yourself, your background, where did you study and when did you finish your graduation and all?
Yeah, I'm from India. I have done my bachelor's from Gujarat. My college was Preksha Patel College of Pharmacy. It's located near Naryad. The local will know. But yeah, I have done my bachelor's. I was from 2017 to 2021 batch, and then I have migrated over here. I was back in India. I was so scared, like, for giving KAPS. Everyone told me that it will take like a year and a half to pass. You'll need to do so much thing. You need to prep so much. At that point of time, I have literally gave up that I won't give KAPS in my lifetime. But then somehow through your alumni, I came in contact with her. She told me that do whatever you want, but just give your few time, 3 to 4 months to them, and you'll see the result. And yeah, here I am.
So why did you choose KAPS?
KAPS, I had a goal that if I'll do either masters or I'll appear for KAPS. But since I was so scared back in India that I had literally gave up, and then I had thought that I'll come here, I'll do either certificate course for pharmacy technician or else I'll opt for masters of pharmacy. Then yeah, but since I came with the contact of your alumni, she was so positive and she told me that trust me, just give them 4 months and you'll see the result. And then I thought that why not? It's just like, yeah, it's 3 to 4 months, but instead of doing masters, instead of paying that much amount of fee, and still you'll be not sure that you'll get a decent job, let's give it a go.
So how many months did you prepare KAPS?
Yeah, I have joined from the starting of the batch for July until the end date. I have prepared.
So 3 months?
I was not like, 3 months.
Yeah.
But it was really good experience.
Yeah.
After I have passed, I have literally told my friends to come and join your classes. They're like, yeah, let's do this, let's do that. I said, stop, listen to me and join here.
So what are the strategies did you apply for KAPS preparation?
I have done everything what certain ma'am have told. They were saying that they were saying that do the classes at least 3 times, but since I have my full-time job, I couldn't do the all classes 3 times, but I make sure that I go through the live lecture every day. Like I attend the live lecture, and after attending the live lecture, I'll revise from the recorded lecture at least once. And for the difficult topics like CNS, endocrine, I have make sure that I have listened to the lectures 2 times more. For me, since I was doing full-time job, it was not possible to go through the lectures 3 times. But then I have done mocks. I have done every mocks, and last 10 days, 10 to 12 days, they are so important. I have made sure that I go through those lectures again. Yeah, and that really helped.
What were you working as? Or you're still working?
I'm still working. I work in pharmacy.
Okay. You're working as a technician or pharmacy technician?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So how did you tackle concept-based questions in your exam, and how did Elite Expertise benefit you in clearing your exam?
I just did what ma'am and sir told. Like, go through the lectures, go through the mocks, and that's it. and
You
stick
don't
to
know
what
anything more than that. Just follow them. That's it.
I have not even seen APC sample question papers. Not even one question. Not even one. Trust me.
Yeah, even me, even like I am also November 2023 CAPS qualified candidate. Okay, so
Congrats.
I like most of the students like used to do other APC mocks and all. I have not even seen one question also. I didn't even practice also. I just went like that.
Yeah.
They're like whatever comes.
Imagine some. Yeah, exactly. Some students were going through the mocks,
Yeah.
APC mocks. They were sending questions, and then I came to know that APC do have mocks.
Yeah, same
Yeah,
here.
but
I did the same thing.
in earlier days it was easy since we had 3 days lectures, but when number of frequency increased, it was a bit difficult. And at the end, I literally did not do job for 2 weeks. I was at home. Sir and ma'am were saying that do like 4 weeks, but since I was alone in the pharmacy doing the department which I was in, the pharmacy owner was not ready to give me 4 weeks of holidays. But I did manage to get at least 2 weeks, and I used to study day and night at that time. Yeah.
So how
And
strong?
coming
Yeah, tell me.
coming towards these strategies, ma'am and sir were saying that to stick to your core concept, and that was the only thing I followed. Remembering like main points, of course, classification and all of that we do need to remember. We do need to learn them. But some of the strategies, like sticking to the core points, sticking to the basics, that really helped me.
So how strongly do you recommend a light expertise for CAPS aspirants?
100 on 100.
There's no doubt. If you're
No
running
doubt.
CAPS, should choose a light, right?
Of course. No doubt. That I do have my contact from India. I did call him day before yesterday and said that if you're coming here, if you're planning to come here, go through the videos online on YouTube and then you'll come to know. One of my colleague back in India, he is planning to come here. He's trying to apply visa.
Okay.
And I told him that if you want to come here and do CAPS, just do this.
Okay.
Go through the Elite Expertise YouTube videos, go through the passing percentage, and then you'll come to know that it's the best.
Finally, any special message from your side to all those pharmacists who are appearing for CAPS?
Yeah, of course. Just do what Sir and Ma'am says and nothing more. Do not get distracted by all of your friends who are in different various institutes, who are doing by themselves.
Yeah.
Do not listen to anyone. I myself, I have cried and I have seen the lectures. Last 10 days was like, I'm crying, I'm studying. I'm crying, I'm studying. But yeah, I managed and I did what Sir and Ma'am said, and you can see the result. I was so scared. I did contact I have some contacts who came here years ago, like 10 and 12 years ago. They have passed their CAPS in third, fourth attempt. And they were like, it's so tough, it's so difficult. And hearing those words, I was literally shattered. I was like, no, I don't want to give CAPS. But yeah, I did manage to pass, and so will everyone.
Yeah. So finally, anyway, your hard work paid off. You got it. Got the result.
Yeah.
So anyway, congratulations and that is for Isha. Like let everything
Thank you.
your PT, whatever is coming up. Okay. All the
Yeah.
thank you for the
Thank you. You're welcome. See ya.